What is actually on a distribution pole? Hi, I'm Spencer Hankin, Senior GIS Manager at ikeGPS. And before I started working in this industry, I didn't really know or care too much about what was on a utility pole. But having worked in this industry, I've learned that what's up on the pole is actually pretty fascinating. At the top, we have the primary power. This is the power that comes straight from the substation and is the highest voltage on the pole. Below that, we have the transformer. This is what steps down the voltage from the high voltage to a lower voltage that can be used by homes and businesses. Below the transformer, we have the secondary distribution, which is actually delivering the power from the pole to, in this case, to homes. Below that, we have the communication worker safety zone. This is the space that the NESC, or the National Electric Safety Code, mandates be kept open in order to keep any workers who are working in the communication space below safe and out of the way of any energized power. In the communication space, we have our telecommunications, which include your cable TV, your fiber, internet, and your phone lines. And below that, you may see anchors or down guys used to help keep the pole anchored to the ground, especially in areas where you might see high strains on that pole. Now, what makes the pole interesting and what most people might not know about is that nothing on the pole is owned by the same company. The pole itself is actually owned by the electric utility, but each attacher or stakeholder owns their individual attachment on the pole and then pays the pole owner to be there. And that's called joint use. So you have one pole with many stakeholders, and that's why getting the data right really matters.